The Pearl of Istanbul, Sultanahmetmosque. The Blue Mosque is one of the most important tourist attractions in Istanbul. This magnificent mosque, built in the 17th century, is one of the best examples of Ottoman architecture. Sultanahmetmosque, also known as the Blue Mosque with its blue tile decorations, has become one of the symbols of Istanbul. Date: Sultanahmetmosque was built by Sultan Ahmet I between 1609 to 1617. The architect of the mosque is Mehmed A, a student of Mimar Sinan. 20,000 workers and 15,000 laborers worked in the construction of the mosque. Architectural features. Sultanahmetmosque is a centrally planned building. The main dome of the mosque is one of the largest domes in the world with a diameter of 53 meters. 4 small domes on all 4 sides of the mosque support the main dome. The mosque has 6 minarets. This is the second mosque with 6 minarets in the world after the Masjid al-Haram in the Kaaba. Interior decoration. The interior decoration of the Blue Mosque is worth seeing. The interior walls and ceiling of the mosque are decorated with blue tiles. These tile decorations are among the most beautiful examples of Ottoman architecture. The 20,000 hand-carved works on the dome of the mosque offer a magnificent view. Places to visit. When you visit the Blue Mosque, you can visit other buildings of the complex as well as the mosque. In the social complex: Sultanahmet Madrasa, Sultanahmet Tomb, Sultanahmet Bath. There are. Visit information. The Blue Mosque is open to visitors every day between 9 o'clock and 7 p.m. Entrance is free. The Blue Mosque is one of the must-see places in Istanbul. By visiting this magnificent mosque, you can see the beauty of Ottoman architecture closely.